Set your starting position. With a hook grip, take the slack out of the barbell and plates by driving your chest up as you lower your hips. Taking the slack creates total body tension before more force is produced to break inertia. Push with your legs to break inertia and raise the barbell off the floor. Pull the barbell smoothly and deliberately to the mid-hang position. At the mid-hang, drive your feet into the floor and explosively extend your hips. Keep the barbell close with your lats and shoulders, and it will strike or brush past the contact point as your hips extend. Your shoulders will be slightly behind your hips, and this is facilitated by hip hyperextension. Lift your feet up, shrug with your shoulders, and pull your elbows upwards and outwards. Keep the barbell close to the body and turn it over as your feet transition. Punch through the barbell to receive it overhead as your feet land in the receiving position. If not already there, continue sitting into a full depth squat and ensure you are stable before recovering to a standing position by pushing your hands into the barbell and following with your body.